Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to associate line items with a deal record in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main HubSpot dashboard where you can access all of your CRM tools and features. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From this menu, click on CRM. This will expand additional options related to your customer relationship management tools. From those options that appear, click on Deals. This will take you to your Deals dashboard where you can view and manage all of your active and closed deals. Now that you're in the Deals section, you'll see a list of all your deals displayed on the screen. Browse through this list and find the specific deal you want to work with. Once you've located it, click on that deal. This action will open a preview panel on the right side of your screen, displaying all the details and information related to that particular deal. With the preview panel now open on the right side, you'll need to scroll down through the various sections of information. Keep scrolling until you find a section labeled Line Items. This is where you can attach products or services to your deal, which helps in tracking what exactly is being sold as part of this transaction. Once you've found the Line Items section, click on the Add button. This will open up your options for adding items to the deal. At this point, you'll be presented with two different options for how you want to add line items. The first option is Select from Product Library, which lets you choose from products you've already created and saved in HubSpot. The second option is Create Custom Line Item, which allows you to manually enter a unique item that might not be in your library. For this example, we're going to click on Select from Product Library since this is the most common method and helps maintain consistency across your deals. After clicking that option, you'll see a list of available products from your library appear on the screen. Each product will have a checkbox next to it. Simply check the checkbox of the line item you want to associate with this deal. You can select multiple items if needed by checking multiple boxes. Once you've made your selection, click the Add button to confirm your choice. HubSpot will then attach those line items to your deal record, and you'll be able to see them listed in the line item section. And that's it. You've successfully associated line items with your deal record in HubSpot, making it easier to track what's included in each sale. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.